I mean, this is just our lives the greatest. We got ducks. I'm walking alongside the ducks, representing my light of loving kindness. We out here in Pembroke, Illinois. You know, Coach D can find the bumblebee, can find and navigate her way. And I'm just a part of the duck crew. We the Mighty Ducks right now. We the Mighty Ducks right now. They showing us love. We got good energy. We got Adewume and we got Basu up ahead of us. And they have welcomed us to the Basu Farms. And we have the kids. Come on, kids. Uh-oh. Now they're coming from everywhere. I don't know, it look like an army of them. I had to retreat into the bushes. Here they come. Oh, Lord of mercy. Keep it moving, Coach D. Keep it moving. That's Junior. What's up, Junior? What's up, Junior? You welcoming us to your land? Thank you. Oh, there's a gazillion of them over there. Family reunion over there. Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Look at this. They must think it's feeding time. Uh-oh, I guess I'm moving slow. Let me keep up with the people and the kids. Uh-oh. This one is a Rasta. This is a Rasta one right here. Billy the goat, baby. That's the Rasta one right there. And they are just eating and making noises. Oh, I'm just loving this. I don't want you, baby. I don't want you. Oh, I do want you. I love you. Just don't hit me with your horns. Why are you following me? Uh-oh. I don't know what ghosts do. They following me. Oh, Lord. I better put some pep in my step. I better put some pep in my step. I think they think I'm about to feed them or something.
Yeah.
And these are the sheep. Oh, Lord. Lord of mercy. And y'all sheared them and everything?
Yeah, the guys came in.
Oh.
And cut them down.
And they cut them down. And then they use the material?
Yep.
Look at them locks. Them the real locks right there.
Yep.
You're a Rastaman? I have 8 locks in the back of my head.
Oh, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, man.
Yeah. I got that on film. Goat life. Goat life. Oh, wow. Who are you?
You afraid of him?
Coming looking at me like that for? What did I do to you, sir? What did I do to you, good sir? Ooh. I smell fertilizer. Hogs? Oh, here they are. Piggly Wiggly. Hey, Piggly Wigglies. In the chicken coop. Yeah, they like that mud, don't they?
Oh, man.
Now, you use them to clear the land, right?
Oh, yeah.
Wow.
And there just people come down here looking for it.
They buy them.
Yep.
They wild or they domesticated?
The domesticated.
Ooh, y'all know y'all stink.
Yep.
Jeez.
Woo.
Need some fresh air.
Got that right.
Let me go back with my escort. This is my security guard right here. When I move, he move. And why do you keep the sheep in and them out? Oh, they should be in. Oh, look at the spotted one.